and a very good afternoon, everybody. I have some good news. First of all, I got my new, SD card, micro SD card, just like I lost in my previous drone. So I got myself a new SD card, and it's here. The drone is here. Apparently one of my cats isn't happy that I have a drone again. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. Pretty big box. I don't know why it's in a big box, because if it's only a drone then it should be maybe half the size. Let's see what we got. Okay, well, I'm going to have to put this in. I can't put it higher, so I can't put the camera higher. So here we have the invoice. And here we have product guide card, something like that. No idea what this is. I never received this when I bought the drone. It comes with, I don't know what this is. It comes with something. Oh, this is the battery. Okay, I got a battery. It is the original battery. It's the original battery with 249 gram battery. And I got a DJI. Oh, that's very nice of them. I got a gift. A DJI carrying bag. So yeah, that's pretty nice of them. From DJI. Very good service. And, of course, the most important. And she's here again. Well, aye, there it is, the mini drone, the Mini 4 Pro. And I've got some stickers. Oh, C1 compliance stickers, yeah. This is totally new, because the one I had before this one was before, what was it? 2024, and I still had the opportunity to get the drone back to 500 meters altitude. But knowing that this is now a drone of this year, so 2024, I lost my altitude, so this one would probably just go to 120 meters max. So that is, well, just a very, very slight disappointment. You know, 120 meters is actually enough. But when I go to Germany or in the Ardennes, it would be easier to get the drone a little higher than that 120 meter limit. So that's it, really. I don't know if I could still get a new care and repair. That's something I have to find out. But I've got it back, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm very happy. Thank you, DJI, for your friendly service. Quick service, by the way. Got a carrying bag. Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm going to install everything, just see how it goes. And hopefully you guys will see me flying again soon with good weather. So I have her back, the Mini 4 Pro. Lovely. Just to let you know, I got it again. Got the card, stickers and all that. So I'm going to have to just see what this all is. Thank you very much, and stay tuned, because we're going flying again soon. Have a good day.